Okay, Jake Brenner back at you with another video, and today I'm not going to be dipping, I'm going to be chewing some Beech Nut Original. Gotta pack it. Tyler taught me how to pack it. That a bunch? Take some of that shit off. This is only gonna be my second time chewing. First time was with Levi Garrett, and I only chewed like literally one piece. I prefer dip.
I used to only chew for a while.
Huh?
Yeah, cause you don't. When I first tried it, I thought you actually chewed the shit like bubble gum. You don't chew it like bubble gum. You just sit there and you kind of chew it. When it ain't got no juice, you chew it a little bit and you stick it like in your fucking cheek.
Okay, it tastes like raisins, somewhat like Levi Garrett. Again, I prefer dip. Not so damn stringy.
You don't know how to work it, man.
I know how to work. Just Tyler. Okay, I got my hair cut. I'm a fucking cancer patient. Oh, it's just juicy. Juicier than pouches, man. But today, we're gonna talk about the rebel flag. No, we're not. I just wanted to say that. Okay, I'm gonna read you some stuff off the pack. My buddy Michael, he had bought a 3-pack. He gave me 2 packs of it.
No, I gave Michael. Michael bought 3 packs. He gave it to me, and then I sat there and returned the favor, and I gave it back to him.
And he gave it to me.
Yeah.
Okay, quality made it famous since 1897. Oh, it's a lot blacker than Dip Spit.
Yeah.
Okay, mouth cancer.
Love this warning labels. Some niggas hate them. I love it.
Leaf containment, domestic, no less than 56%. Foreign, no more than 44%. Natural tobacco. Resealable.
Just because it's resealable, don't mean it dry out. Don't mean it won't dry out now. God. Sorry about me blubbering or whatever, guys. It's like, what time you think it is, dude?
Like 5, I think.
5? Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the morning.
No, 4:12.
It's 4:12 in the morning. And we ain't had no sleep now. Yeah, that's basically it.
Let me see that chewing your lip. But yeah. Tastes kind of weird. Like, it has that raisiny taste. So if you don't like raisins, I wouldn't chew it. I guess this is a better way of packing it.
Your teeth are so yellow. It's funny. My teeth yellow?
Yeah, somewhat.
It's yellow with a bright light, dude. It's more yellow with a bright light, really. Really yellow.
It's only 3 ounces.
I guess. How many ounces do you usually buy? Huh?
Is his name Sex Demon? On YouTube, that Sex Demon dude? Never mind. Shout out to African Drug Lord. He is fucking funny. You gotta watch him on YouTube. I mean, he is hilarious. And,
Well, his name ain't African Drug Lord. It's just that his videos are called African Drug Lord, guys. So, like, maybe, like, look up his videos. God damn it. Anyways, look up his videos. They're pretty funny. Also, you can look up the Sex Demon videos. They're pretty funny, too. Yeah.
but anyways, look him up. Subscribe to him. Have sex with him.
Have sex with your cousin, maybe.
That was only one time. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, fucking kiss the vid shit if you have to. Thank you.